welcome to Garbage Garage. So today I bought me some joy and pain. Yep. New, not new, old 13 inches. Made in Taiwan. Yeah, but light wheels for winter driving. So the idea is to scrub them a little bit and paint them white. I always wanted white wheels, so that's gonna happen today. First, let's wash them. Oh yeah, that feels nice, oh yeah. We got rid of all the dust and dirt. Now we are left with that nasty stuff, but I don't care. It's going to be sanded anyway, so good for now. Some chemistry to remove the tar. The best way to remove that with glue is the removable blade, disposable blade, sorry. So yeah, after several things that I have tried, this is the best thing. It goes fast and easy. At last preparing the last wheel. Pain in the ass. Thank God this is the last one, and thanks God that I don't need a very perfect finish. I just need to sand it and then to paint it. Anyways, it's beat up and yeah, don't care. That's a €10 wheel, so it's alright for that. Oh yeah, ready to paint. Ran out of primer, had to go to buy some. Now we'll let them sleep for a couple of nights to dry out completely. Very good. White wheels, I love them. My white wheels met black Chinesium rubber. Rubber is cheap, €20 a piece, but it's new, and that's the goal for all of thing. I want to be safe in winter. It has a bit of stretch here. Not too much. All looks good. Sorry for the wind, but painted these center caps white to match wheels, and now we can put them on. So dirty car is ready for the winter, and nothing too fancy, but kind of cheap way to be safe at winter. And one thing, everything went very well. The white looks good, but we have a some kind of factory error here. Somehow the paint went wrong or whatever. But doesn't matter. We can fix that later. Okay, so that's it for now. See you next time.